This faceless YouTube channel is making thousands of dollars monthly with AI posting automated YouTube shorts. It's just the least they are making according to Social Blade. They could be making much more in sponsorships. This is a simple kind of content to make videos with AI on YouTube. Today, I will show you all the steps and secrets that people use to make money in this niche. Listen carefully and don't skip any part of this video because all the details are important. Without further ado, let's start this video. So firstly, we need to analyze the videos that our competitor makes, and we can see that his videos have hundreds of thousands of views. This tells us that this niche is popular. First step is to go to Leonardo.ai to generate images for our content. If you don't have an account, here is how to create one. Go to Leonardo.ai and click Create Account, then fill the details with your name and the email address you're going to use. And next click on the button. You will be redirected to a page, and now you have to click where it says click here, fill in the requested information again. And now wait a few seconds until you receive an email to confirm account activation. When you receive the email, click on Launch Leonardo app. Now you're done. Our goal now is to create unique images of Marvel superheroes, for example. In my prompt, I will type a fat Hulk in HD. After a few seconds, Leonardo will generate 4 different images. You need to repeat this process 7 more times, because we need 8 images in total. When it's done, go to canva.com where you will make the final version of the images. Click on Create a Design and type Mobile. You will see an option that says Presentation Mobile first. Here we will update our images that we made in Leonardo AI. For now, our job is to make this type of images, with a small version of a superhero on the bottom of the image. To accomplish this, we will search for PNG images of our characters. After you've done this, return to Canva and upload your new superhero photos. Now you will follow the previous example, and don't forget to save each picture by clicking on Share and Download. Okay, the next step is the editing process. Personally, I use CapCut. Let's click on New Project and next on Import and add all the images that we made on Canva. But we forget something. We don't know which length our video would be and what music use. So for this, we will download the video from our competitor video. For this, I add a PP after YouTube word on the link. And then download. Now go back to CapCut again. Let's add the video that we recently downloaded. Now we can see that the length of our video needs to be approximately 16 seconds. So we have 8 clips, so each clip needs to be 2 seconds. So let's edit this. Okay, the next step is to add music. So for this, we will extract the audio from the video that we downloaded or other music that you want. Now only transition left. For this, go on Transitions and Camera and chose the one that says left. Just move to all clips. Now our video looks similar to the video that we download. Now we only need to click on Export and then Export again. Finally, we only need to upload on your YouTube channel. Give it a title and write a description. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like.